the road was calling us. I mean, it was just what we needed. I was so excited to get a weekend away with Arjun. What I was really excited about also was the drive there. You know, I mean, eating at local dhabas and listening to music, singing in the car. It was going to be awesome. No work, no stress, just us. It almost seemed too good to be true. And it was. Sometimes all it takes is one moment for everything to change. We got on NH10 and there was no looking back.
For coming. Brilliant. Now, the leading lady and of course the producer, Anushka Sharma, urf Meera, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, thanks for coming.
The leading man of the movie, Mr. Neil Bhupalam. Please don't talia. And now, the producers of the movie. We'll start with Miss Krishka Lulla. Zordar talia ho jaiye, please. Mr. Vikramaditya Motwane, who's a superb director also. Mr. Vikas Behel, another superb filmmaker. I'll go niche. Mr. Karnesh Sharma, Zordar talia, come on yeah. Talia rukni nahi chahiye. And Mr. Madhu Mantena, last but not the least, presenting the entire cast and crew of the movie NH10.
Oh, okay.
Anushka, I have a sawal for you. And we'll do that after the picture. Yeah. Koi chinta na kare. Chal. High school. Shukriya, maybe, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We play musical chairs over here. Yeah? Can we have some more bar stools if we have? Okay, come. ये breaking news हो गई यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा है ना? कोई बात नहीं. Yeah. आदत काम चलाने की. Oh, Neil does it? Yeah. Bring. Oh, great. Thanks. खूब सारा प्यार यहाँ पे आप सबके सामने. जी. अनुष्का, this one's for you. इससे पहले कि जो हमारे मित्र लोग हैं यहाँ आपसे सवाल पूछें. As an actor, you were superb इसमें. बहुत सारी मेहनत दिख रहा है कि गई है. बहुत कड़ी मेहनत. As a producer, back end में कितना गया और what was more difficult? Anushka Sharma, the producer, or the actor?
Honestly, मैं differentiate नहीं कर पाऊंगी because ये जैसी फिल्म ये है, उसमें जो fact that I want to be involved with the film maximum and completely be a part of it 100% was the reason behind deciding to be a producer on a film like this, a content-driven film like this. And it gives me a lot of happiness that I could have done that through a film like this. I mean, it's a real blessing. So I can't differentiate कब क्या मेरे को लगता था मैं बस काम कर रही हूँ पूरी मजे में काम कर रही हूँ. Yes, but when I started shooting the film, I wanted to kind of at that moment I couldn't be thinking about it, but I didn't have to. We had some wonderful co-producers, all of them. So they said, "चल तू अपना काम कर."
Right. Neil wants to add something.
Yeah, I think this is the only film that has a bigger set of producers than the number of cast.
Right. और इससे मुझे याद आया आपसे जो सवाल है मेरा वो ये है कि दो फीमेल प्रोड्यूसर्स ऐसा मतलब कितना परेशान किया आपको इन लोगों ने? किया थोड़ा बहुत?
Yeah, there was a fair amount of sharing of seats.
Any comment?
No. But the only thing in my opinion is that when there's so many minds, so many creative minds also involved, then decision making sometimes takes a little longer. But fortunately, I was no decision maker. I just had to take instructions from Navdeep, so it was great.
नवदीप साहब मेरे को ब्रेक करने को बोला है. नवदीप साहब, आप मुझे बताएं, ये बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्रेव अटेम्प्ट है ये एकदम यहाँ पे, और नारी शक्ति की लोग बहुत सारी बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सो इज इट ओनली अबाउट नारी शक्ति जो अनुष्का दिखाएंगी वहाँ पे?
नहीं, not at all. I think it's about any human being, whether it's a man or a woman or a child or anything. It's about resilience in a person.
Right. मिस लुला, आपसे मेरा यही सवाल था कि what inspired you to pump in all that money, because नारी शक्ति वुमन सेंट्रिक फिल्म है, ऐसा कुछ था?
No, exactly what Navdeep said. It's not exactly for women. It can happen to anyone in our life, which when we go through such situation. So I would say, like, I have explored a lot of other films. I've never explored this thriller. I've done rom-coms. I've done spice of life, animation.
Right.
But this is something which had a lot of honesty, realistic, and which I felt I had to make this movie.
Superb. The trailer is amazing. एक आखिरी सवाल, दोनों यहाँ पे जो फिल्म मेकर्स हैं हमारे, मिस्टर मोटवाने एंड ऑफ कोर्स मिस्टर बहल, आप दोनों का बीच में कभी मन किया कि यार हम लोग डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं, मतलब बीइंग द प्रोड्यूसर, है ना? अभी हो गया, हम लोग को भी मौका मिलना चाहिए.
ये जो नवदीप ने बनाया है हमारे पास का ही नहीं है. He's done a fab job, so I don't think we could have made this film without him. But हाँ, वो कुछ 5-6 takes हैं जो मैं सोच रहा था.
विक्रम, आपको था कुछ ऐसा?
The first time I read the script, the immediate reaction, I mean, when you like a script a lot, लगता है ना कि यार ये मैं ही कर दूँ, मतलब always you feel that. But I think it was a fantastic script writer. Sudeep Sharma, who's the writer, was actually not here today. He's the reason probably that we all here in the first place. It's a fantastic screenplay. We loved it the moment we read it. We said यार ये picture करनी है. Journey काफी थी, करते 2 साल लग गए I think बनाते, but we love the film.
यहाँ देख के आप सबको हैप्पी जर्नी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, तो सबको यहाँ हैप्पी कर देते हैं. इट्स ओवर टू द मीडिया. आप लोग के मन में भी बहुत सारे सवाल होंगे. सवाल, वाओ, साउंड्स कूल. या
क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा था आपका, पर एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे कि आपने फिल्म का जो टाइटल एनस्टैनी क्यों रखा? क्योंकि आपने मतलब मीडिया और सर्कल में अपने सबको तो एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे, लेकिन जो आम ऑडियंस होती है वो उनको समझने में ही, आपका टाइटल समझने में टाइम जाएगा.
उसके लिए आप है ना.
नहीं तो हमारे पास सारी ऑडियंस थोड़ी ना आएगी ना.
अभी हमने फिल्म बना लिया, अभी हमने आपको दिखा दिया, अब आप प्लीज अपना काम कीजिए हमारे साथ.
Explain to everyone. National Highway 10.
अनुष्का, जब पहली फिल्म होती है, जिस तरीके से आपका कैरियर ग्राफ चल रहा है, तो इस समय प्रोड्यूसर बनना एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए बहुत सोचना पड़ता है कि फिल्म रोमांटिक हो या इस तरह की हो. इसमें आपने बिकनी भी पहनी है, सीन्स भी है, लॉ सीन्स भी हैं, डरा भी रही हैं आप, तो कितना सोचना पड़ा था और कि इस स्क्रिप्ट में क्या ऐसा खास?
नहीं, बिकनी तो नहीं पहनी वैसे, वो वन पीस सूट बोलते हैं उसे आप. हाँ नील को पहनाई है हमने बिकनी. नो, जस्ट किडिंग. देखिए, मैंने आज तक ऐसी फिल्में करने की कोशिश करी है, इवन एज एन एक्टर, जो मुझे लगता है कि मैं पिक्चरें करना चाहती हूँ, अच्छी स्टोरीज में काम करना चाहती हूँ, अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ. तो आई डोंट थिंक ये मेरा फॉर्मेट चेंज होगा इफ आई वांट टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स एंड बी इन्वॉल्व इन मूवीज इन एनी अदर वे एज अ प्रोड्यूसर इन दिस केस. तो अच्छी कहानी है, अच्छी कहानी से जुड़ना है, अच्छी कहानी लोगों को दिखानी है. दैट्स माई आइडिया, दैट्स द वे आई वॉन्ट माई करियर टू गो. सो ऐसी चीज़ें कि गाने होने चाहिए, ये होने चाहिए, ये ऐसी फिल्म में डजेंट फिट. एंड हम फालतू में इनको चीज़ों को डालेंगे नहीं, जस्ट बिकॉज इट we've tried to make this film as real as possible. We've stayed as true to the story as possible because we had such a good story in hand and we all loved it so much. So we've made it in the most honest way, and hopefully people will see that and they will feel the same way.
Anushka, hi, Abhishek here from NewsX. Okay, straight. Hi. So we loved the trailer. I mean, I personally loved it.
Thank you.
Very gripping. But how much of it, what we've seen today, would we get to see on YouTube probably once the trailer comes out, or how much of it would the film carry, considering the swear words that are being used? And there's one scene where you're sitting at the pot and you're having a drag, so there's a word that's written over there. So how much of that would be seen? Would that be beeped and blurred? Secondly, you know, I don't know if I might sound a little weird to say this, but then you're not even 10 films old, but then you've taken a quick step to become a producer. So how come you, decided to be a producer?
Like I said, actually, I can just take it from the answer that I gave him, that the decision was to just, it was coming कि यार मुझे अभी producer बनना है, मेरे दिमाग में ही नहीं था. ये जब film मेरे पास आई, मैं इस film ने मेरे अंदर ये भाव निकाला. It was not like it was premeditated thought. So I would just say that look at it in the way that this is how much I feel, I feel so strongly for this film that I wanted to back it in this way, and I wanted to like be a part of it completely. And I think that's the only reason. There is no other reason to, take this decision. And आपका जो दूसरा है, जो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, वही आपको YouTube में भी वही ट्रेलर जाएगा.
Hello.
Well.
It's an A certificate film, as you can see. The trailer is also A certificate.
अनुष्का जी, ये फिल्म 6 मार्च को रिलीज हो रही है और वुमेन्स डे भी है, तो ये फिल्म क्या औरतों को जागृत करने के लिए आपने बनवाई है, खास तौर पे कि लाइक इसमें मतलब रोना नहीं है, डंडा उठाना है, ऐसा आपने इसमें दिखाया है.
जैसे हम लोग पहले बोल रहे थे कि ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस फिल्म. मुझे तभी इस फिल्म में मुझे इतनी पसंद आई है कि ये घटना किसी के साथ भी घट सकती है. इट्स एक्चुअली अबाउट अ पर्सनल स्ट्रगल, द वे आई लुक एट इट, कि कितना आप किसी को पुश करोगे कि वो फाइनली दे डिसाइड टू स्पीक अप, दे डिसाइड टू स्टैंड अप, एंड दैट्स व्हाट द फिल्म इज अबाउट. ये औरतों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगी और मेरे हिसाब से आदमियों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगी, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स सेइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी पर्सनल, सो एवरीबडी कैन रिलेट टू इट.
अनुष्का, रवि दिस साइड, 6 मार्च को रिलीज हो रही है. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि वुमेंस डे भी है, तो आप देश की बहुत ही बड़ी एक स्टाइल आइकॉन है, नारी शक्ति की एक आइकॉन है आप. मैं आपसे सवाल एक पूछना चाहूँगा और उम्मीद भी करता हूँ कि आप उसका आंसर भी करेंगी. मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हाल ही में एक विवादित शो आयोजित किया गया था जिस पर महिलाओं के प्रतिरूप को तार कर देने वाले जो जोक्स, कमेंट्स, इशारे किए गए थे, उन पर बॉलीवुड की बहुत ही बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हैं हंसती हुई नजर आई थी. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि इस पर आप क्या प्रतिक्रिया देना चाहेंगे आप?
देखिए, जिस तरह से मैंने उसको देखा था, और हर इंसान का अपना अपना नजरिया होता है, आपका एक है, मेरा है, किसी और का कुछ और होगा. मुझे ये एक ऐसा, इट वाज इन गुड ह्यूमर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. इट वाज जस्ट नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी एंड मेंट टू बी टेकन वेरी सीरियसली. दैट्स द वे आई लुक एट इट. Just like how this is my opinion, someone else is free to have their own opinion, and that's the beauty of living in a democratic setup.
आपके और विराट के ऊपर भी मजाक था इसमें, like okay for you.
What is this? Are you guys talking about the AIB video?
Yes.
I love the way मैं इतना एकदम हश है. It's like, it's अभी taboo है यार, मतलब वो नाम ही नहीं ले सकते हैं यार. It's damn चूतिया what's going on right now. I honestly feel कि what the fuck is going on, yeah? Our country has so much to offer. There are far greater and more serious issues that are happening around the world, right? Now you're talking about whether this trailer is going to be beeped on YouTube or something. When you start to make something, when a writer writes something, a director wants to, it's art. And I don't know why our country has become so sensitive ke matlab bhenchod nahi keh sakte. But Scorpios can go flying. I just don't, I'm sorry, I just thought I'd get it out there.
देश की हर जो औरत है वो चाहती है उसकी बेटी अनुष्का शर्मा जैसी हो, उसका बेटा अर्जुन कपूर जैसा हो, और हर बहन सोचती है उसका भाई अर्जुन कपूर जैसा हो, बिकॉज उन्होंने देखा है.
यार आप अपनी तरह रहो ना, जैसे आप हो, और अच्छा करो, मत गलत काम मत करो, ठीक है? बट डोंट लाइक व्हाट इज सेइंग, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा बनाया जा रहा है इस इशू को, and it's not needed. There are far more important things that people can be dealing and fighting for at this moment. I don't think this is even like that much of it. So really, like.
And at the moment, I think NH10, इतना अच्छा हम सब ने ट्रेलर देखा, we all loved it. अच्छी तारीफें हो.
Thank you, mummy.
अगर पूछ लेते हम लोग, है ना? Yes.
Hi Anushka, here. This is Vaishali Chandra from Koimoy. My question is, after NH10, will we see you doing, or even in the film, much more action? The next action queen.
In the film, we do have action, but like the rest of the film and the nature of the film, it's extremely real. And so it's not like he said, Scorpios are not flying in the air and all. It's just very, very real and organically जो picture में हो रहा है उसी के हिसाब से हो रहा है. But I really enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was something new for me to do, and I've always, been very happy doing new things, and that's what excites me. So मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आया. And I think आपको अलग लगेगा इसका action. It's very real, yeah. It's very organic.
Hi Anushka. Anushka, is choosing NH10 as as specifically one place is also, can we assume that it is because of the fact that that place and the surrounding out there has had like numerous cases where people have been robbed and people have been disturbed and abused? Is that why you wanted a place where it would give you like that real touch? Is that why you picked up Delhi and the nearby places in the Hashel Highway?
I don't think so. I think Navdeep will be able to answer this question better because he was a part of the writing process as well.
Well, honestly, it could happen anywhere. NH10, of course, runs through from Delhi and Haryana all the way to Punjab, which in the recent past has had, like you said, a number of
always
incidents.
Recent
but,
past?
but very honestly, it could happen anywhere. So
it's just coincidental.
Not coincidental. It's a choice, of course. But
you can say it.
And I have said it.
Right, last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Anushka, hi. Bang in the middle, right here. Hi. Talking about taboos, I'm not touching upon the subject that we spoke about right now, but you as an actress, you're doing lots of different kinds of movies. We've seen you as a romantic heroine. We've seen you as doing a lot of different kind of roles. But, an actor or an actress doing an out-and-out suspense thriller or an action movie or even having realistic action sequences is quite, away from the ordinary. We don't see too many actresses still doing that. And you've made this conscious choice. Are you taking that sort of course in your career? You said you've chosen, it just came to you. But it's still quite different from the way a lot of actresses around would choose to, go forward.
I guess you end up choosing things that appeal to you. I've always chosen films that have appealed to me as a viewer, something that I would like to watch. I want to do things that make me happy. I want to work in films that make me happy. And NH10 is the kind of film that makes me happy, as a viewer and as an actor. And there is absolutely no other reason or there's no other kind of thought given to it other than this. I read the script, I thought it was awesome. I thought people would think it is awesome, and that's why I decided to do it. I think I've just kept my life very simple. And this is, I guess, just an opportunity for me to be able to present a film that I was so excited to read. I mean, it was, honestly, this was the first time I read a script where I did not even stop at interval. Like usually you stop and you take a pee break or something. I swear, like I read it from the beginning to the end. Like that's how I felt. And instantly I was like, man, I want to do this. And I want to work in films where this is what I feel. I read the script and I'm like, yaar, mujhe ye karna hai. I want to do this. And that's what this film did for me.
Anushka, finally, we have the World Cup happening this month. So would you be going for any of the matches and would you want to wish Team India? I see a wink.
Do I want to wish Team India? I'll wish them. I have other means of wishing them
Even
also.
I wish Team India.
Okay, would you be going for any of the matches, Anushka?
No, because we'll be promoting the film. So I'll be here. If I go, you'll see me there.
Good evening, Anushka. Towards your left.
Phone number hai, main kar dungi. Thank you.
Good evening, Anushka. Towards your left. First of all, the trailer is looking very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
My question is to Krishika ma'am. Ma'am, could you tell us something on the budget of the film and what are your expectations from the film at the box office?
Good evening. Obviously, my expectation is I must do something very well in the box office. There's no two ways about it. And what was your second question? The budget.
ये फ्री में बनी
Gratis.
एक के साथ एक फ्री ये दो वाली है
कृषिका जी, आप इतने सारे प्रोड्यूसरों के साथ एक क्वीन है और एक हीरोइन है, तो मतलब कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं? आपके साथ बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं.
Is he queen?
क्या बात कर रही है?
Because you found it, you found your calling. यही है.
It's good to have talented people around me.
तो ऐसे प्रोड्यूसर कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं आप?
I've always felt good, and especially this movie is so real and honest. And I always believe in making such kind of films. So it is a wake-up call when I read this film. Ki yes, I need to make this film because we all are facing this problem. Everybody is facing this problem. And I would say we live in India, but actually we have two Indias. One which you and I live, and the other is the forgotten places, and we reach that only through highways. And that's the way I felt when I read the script. Thank you.
क्या कहूँगी? जी, I'm just happy कि लोगों को वहाँ पे भी देखने को मिलेगी हमारी film, and I'm very happy with the overwhelming response that we've got for PK, and it's great that both these films are, it's very nice that our films are reaching out there and we're having such big releases like PK has had in China, and it seems like a very good sign for us.
Anushka, for a change, Chinese will see something that says made in India.
Prime Minister Modi will be very happy.
Okay. One last thing to both the actors यहाँ पे. We saw the trailer. बहुत एक शब्द आपने ट्वीट में यूज किया था, डाका. बहुत सारे लोग दे शाय अवे फ्रॉम यूजिंग द वर्ड. आप मेरे को बोलो कुछ इसकी फिल्मिंग के दौरान कुछ ऐसा था जो लगा यार रियल लाइफ में कुछ इम्पैक्ट छोड़ के
बहुत अंधेरा था सच्ची.
वाह. नील, इसको शूटिंग के दौरान कुछ लगा, कुछ रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा झटका सा कि कुछ याद आया हो या कुछ ऐसा था?
Yeah. I was heading from.
कुछ होगा.
I was heading from. Where were we shooting then? Gurgaon के आसपास. I was heading back to Delhi, and our driver got into a fight with this truck guy. This truck guy comes down and he takes one lakdi ka danda and beats the windshield. Like this boy must have been 20 years old, the truck driver. So much anger in him, so much rage, and he just wanted to kill this guy over traffic. Matlab, ajeeb hai. So I just feel that, and there's a fair amount of rage in NH10. And when Navdeep, I was talking to him, I'm like, I don't think people are so angry. Yeah? Matlab, itne bhi bure bhi nahi hai log. And now I felt it for myself. This is real, true story, kind of.
वर्ल्ड कप तो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ.
Amit ji is doing.
We'll have a discussion on this.
Backstage we can do this, right? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. The entire cast and crew of the movie NH10.
Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you.